Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan. You're watching World Masters, your friendly YouTuber that does unboxings, overviews, reviews, teardowns, tear-ups, you name it, I do everything. Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the iRobot series and what robot vacuum or mopping robot you should get. Now, let's first talk about iRobot. iRobot is a very reputable company which been around for about 10 or even more, 15 years, and they've done a lot of great consumer robot vacuums. They've done a Scuba, they've done the Braava series, now they've done the Roomba series, and a new signature feature with iRobot is the self-emptying bins, first introduced on the i7. Okay, so let's just go ahead and talk about the S9. The S9 is great for someone who wants the latest and greatest. It's iRobot's newest robot vacuum. Now, don't fret, this guy's a great cleaner with its new D shape. Now you might see that the extractor bar is really large and it has a new side brush. Let's compare it to the iRobot i7 series, and you can see that the extractor bar on the S9 is a lot larger and a different design in the side brush. Now, one thing to note is the side brush on the S9 doesn't scatter debris as much, but it does struggle on carpet. Besides having the latest and greatest, the S9 is a great cleaner with its high airflow, also offers 3 power settings, high, medium, and low, at 23 CFM, 17 CFM, and 7 CFM respectively. Also, due to the higher airflow and because the S9 sits lower, it does a better job of deep cleaning carpets. Okay, the i7 is a little bit cheaper than the S9, but offers similar features like the self-emptying base, also has the iAdapt 3.0 navigation, which offers smart mapping, which you can do keep out zones, you can also do area select, also works with the imprint link, so you can tell the Braava M6 to mop after the S9, i7, or 960 is done. Now, I have heard that iFTTT works with the E5, so you could go ahead and download the app and it works great. You could do the imprint link like on these guys if you want with the E5 or the 675. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the 960. Now, the 960 offers a similar back and forth clean pattern, but it doesn't have the smart mapping in terms of being able to edit the map, do keep out zones, area select. But this guy is a good cleaner, it's very efficient. Now, one thing to note is this guy has the vacuum motor in the dustbin, so you won't be able to wash the bins like on these guys. So get the 960 if you're someone who may not use a smartphone or doesn't want to use the smart mapping features, but still want the back and forth cleaning pattern, also the recharge and resume to cover a larger area. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the Roomba E5. This is one of the more budget robot vacuums. What's great about the Roomba E5 is it's great for small areas or apartments, or with apartments with 1 or 2 rooms which are adjacent with each other. So this guy does a random pattern which will, in theory, clean the area more than once. And one thing is, despite the E5 being cheaper, it offers the exact same cleaning system as on the i7. Okay, let's go ahead and jump to the mopping robots. We got the Braava M6, so get the Braava M6 if you have a larger area to cover for your hardwood floors. Also, this guy has the self-recharging and the iAdapt 3.0, so it has the smart mapping. Also works with the imprint link, so basically once this guy is done, it will tell this guy to clean. Now, if you have a smaller area, get the Braava Jet 240, great for like small bathrooms, kitchens. It also does great things behind toilets and all those hard to reach areas. Now, keep in mind this guy is a little bit different than the M6, obviously the size, but also runs on Bluetooth and the battery is removable, so it doesn't have a self-recharging capabilities or dock. Okay, so that was just a quick look at why you should get these models. I hope you liked this video. Please smash the like button if you do, and also if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Nathan, this is Robot Masters, where I do all the cool robot vacuum videos. Alright, see you next time.